Too late. I'm gone. I'm going for it. Going for it. Okay. Alright. Computer. Now let's go to my desk for now. Oh right, I forgot to turn the camera on. One sec. Would be very embarrassing if this thing is not ran out of battery. Shouldn't be, but you know, it happened before. Hey, 60-80%. How the hell do I do this? Easily. Oh. Darn. Oh, oddly enough. Did you guys not hear? The music is there. Barely. Yeah, I swap back to lo-fi girl today. Wanna what? Zap the work bin. So I wanna be a little chill. Okay. So a very interesting day for today. But first and foremost, to do something physical before we get onto the computer. I finished that, printing that. So let's put it together, put it on the machine, and we'll see how that go. Yeah. Also, oops. Get your be damn. Yeah, I scheduled for like you have like 15 minutes before anything going on. So let me just deconstruct my old version here. Check right away. We'll This thing actually work. So one thing of concern immediately is this. You can see how easy it is to just take this thing off. Yeah, it's a good thing I start a stream, huh? One sec. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a hammer. I'm gonna flatten that out a little bit. You're gonna hammer it on. Take a little, yeah, like an actual hard hammer. Hammer that out. See if you can flare that end out just a little bit. If thing can go on. If not, well, it's one more thing that we can deal with in FreeCAD, which is actually the main point for this stream today. We got the hammer. Let's get the camera going. Do I get the camera going for this? Yes, I do. Enough. Yeah. You know what? I just stay there. Stay there. Okay. Take the tube in. You can see me in the corner. Yeah. Doing stuff. I don't think it's working yet. Trying to work on stainless steel is not exactly the wise idea. It would just have been more productive if I just put a cutting blade to it. Yeah, nothing happened. Is it? I mean, it's still steel, but all right. I think. Oh wait, I think it does work. I think it does work. Just a little bit. I can definitely feel the edge being a little bit sharper. Not. Oh yeah, it definitely does work. Definitely does work. Oh yeah, definitely does work. The hammer out. Future use. And putting this down. Alright, alright, alright. Hello. We got it, we got this. We got this. Okay. This is the so what happened is yeah, so I basically flared these the end of these two end out just a little bit so that it would bite onto the base side here. Just shove it from the back here when and it didn't work. Okay, never mind. It worked better than than earlier, but not as much as I would like it to be. So we might okay, sort of work, but not that well. So right now this just go in and out too easily. Not that easy, but it's going out easy enough that it is a cause of concern. So if someone else make this, there's a high likelihood that the pin could just fall out for them. So for me, this specific case, I just use this for testing. Oh, never mind. Oh wait, no, okay, that's right. Yeah, so for me, this specific case of mine is just enough that it doesn't push the pin out like that unless I try. But yeah. For someone else, it may not be that as they may not have get that lucky. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to make a hole here. Go back to the original idea, which is this. I just have a little some hole for what was it called? To clamp it down. Use a blast and to take a screw through and clamp it down. And unlike what I had here, where I kind of just winging it, yeah, I'm gonna put a backstop over here, like was it threaded insert? No, not threaded insert. Sorry, a nut insert here over here on the other side, so that the screw have something to screw into. Because this version is useless. What is it? The screw would just screw onto plastic and it would slip. And now it's gonna tear the plastic before it allow the thing to actually work. So yeah, that's the first thing in the book. Trying to think of something I can do to get this done. All right, let's put this together. How long more? What time is it? 5 minutes. Yeah, it can be 5 minutes early. Get started. let's get started. For this, I think the best workflow is for one, get this one done. So here I have my modded silicon brush there. Now I just need to get the pusher going. Start with these guys here. One with the little protrusion. Have a spring. I'm trying to use the same string throughout the entire build, so I don't have to buy extra. Oh man, work is keep mounting on this project. Someone contacted me earlier, and he was like, they want me to make an assembly of the system, not the current system, no, but assembly of the old system, the V1. The idea is that he want to leverage on what I designed and use it for, well, I don't know, and use it some of it components on his. But my problem with that right now is not, actually I kind of like that idea, but do I have time for it? I mean, I will do it for V2, that for sure. But the problem with V2 is that the step file, the assembly step file, is not free. There's already people paying for it, so I don't want to just like, hey, you know how you pay for it here for this little bit of exclusivity and see. Yeah, forget about it because I want to help this other guy. I don't know how I should do that. I think the reason why he wanted free in his case, because what's it called? This is, I think his what he's designing is completely different from what I have. So, but in a sense, he didn't want to spend any money on my design because he's gonna heavily mod it anyway. I don't know. I'll think about it. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I had a little play with FreeCAD earlier today. Not today, sorry. Earlier, yesterday. And it's gonna be interesting today. Today is gonna be an interesting one. If I open a file, 50-50 chance of thing breaking. Right? Oh, not 50-50. I wouldn't say 50-50. It's FreeCAD. Well, no. I won't give it a number because I don't know for sure, but I want to open a bunch of files. I need to open every file that I had to see if it break anything for my new due to the new updates, because it definitely will definitely do. It's a massive update, so it will break a lot of things. If I hopefully, well, I hope it won't, but if it does, it is sort of, I guess, predicted. So we need to be very, very careful. Just telling myself this right now. To be very careful, I'm gonna make a copy of every file for updating. Oh, I know that there's a lot of new features. Well, that's it. There are many like quality of life features that were added to FreeCAD, and it's really cool. I just honestly, personally, I just want a more stable availability workbench. But now that I saw a lot of the feature that have been advertising, I was like, oh wow, actually I do like. Just don't break my system, please. Alright, so this one I will need to mark them somehow because this one is orientated differently. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put them into the little thing like that, into the trigger looking shape. And this, yeah, right. Yeah, we're gonna look something like that right now. Barely show it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Now I need to grab myself a nylon bolt. There. With a pair of pliers. I got my shipments of filament going, and I'm printing out a new top hat right now. Let's see if we can finish it before the end of the week. Way I can well, that was something cooler to see, to look at on for the stream. Okay, this one need to be and that is still moving. The reason why you use a nylon, I use a nylon here, not here, because you don't need to torque them down for it to be tightened, for it to sit tight. Do that with the other side as well. And there. Push it down a little bit. Oops. Done a little bit of thinking on my logic that I wrote down on the notepad on last stream on Saturday. And I think you know how I wrote that, and I told myself that, hey, cheaper to just have a DC motor and 2 switches. That's true. Right, for the flapping, for the what is it, chamber heat, not heater, chamber thermal controller. It sound good and all, but then I realized that, if I use a servo, I only need to use 3 wires. And the servo, of all things, is also compatible with Clipper. So in a sense, trying to smith my way through with the cheaper component, I invert in might had tried it to I might have end up with something less desirable. It was harder to configure in a sense. So I think I'm gonna change my mind on that as well. Right, I'm gonna change my mind on that because I have decided on what how do I control the thing, and I'll show you. And the way that I'm gonna do it, the cheapest way to do it, from what I can see, is just to use a 2 headboard, have one line around. So I want to use a 2 headboard, control the as if it's not a 2 head, but with different component on it. Use it to control servo. Gonna get some experience on that. I mean, I do have some, but last time I touched a servo and controlling it was 4 years ago now, 5. That was uni time. That was dinosaur time. Right, there we go. It was stiff on this last one. Funny thing, it doesn't have to be very exact. Good to see that there's a stopper for it now. Alright. Time to install the spring in through here. Ooh. Oh, that's the first. Oh, that's how you do it. I did it. Basically, you need to lock down the center the pin first before you and need to extend the spring. Otherwise, it's gonna be a bit tough to get into place. I don't know, adjust it. That's one. Do the other one, and then we get. Wow, let's go find ourselves some nuts. Oh, this is still a little stiff. Surprisingly. There we go. There we go. Yep. All right. I'll just like that. And the spring. Oh, up. Need to bring that spring there. And around to that pin. Both of them. Nothing happened. That's good. Line it up. So that looks straight. Then the whole thing's able to go. Yeah, like that. Oop. So if you hit it too hard, it's gonna fly out. Good to know. Good to know. Oop. Yeah, like that. To be careful with the flying off thing. Okay, okay. Need to be careful. Actually, no, I need to be. I need to find a way to deal with it. The design. Don't want to have to spring. Suddenly just decided that it doesn't. No. Don't want to have your basket suddenly decided that it doesn't want to be there anymore. I'll be at the time. The only time during normal operation where they're gonna be flying that much is not common. I'm happy to play with it. Keep it at this for now. Yeah, it is a cause for concern. Okay. I have to go hunt down some M3 by 8. Where's the tray? M3 by 8 on a washer. That's what I'm hunting for. Oh, and 2 nut. M3 by 8. I ran out of T-nut on the tray. Yeah, I do have some washer though, so one sec. Alright, let's grab these 3 M3 by 8. Get some washer. Nice. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so that go get my basket stop. Not that one, too light. There we go. Man, I love Aereo. They give us so much stuff that I can just use it whenever. Beyond the whatever for whatever purpose beyond the project. They give me a whole supply of nuts and bolts here. This is great. Okay. For this we need Oh wait, actually, let's see if this one works. Oh yeah, there's clearance. There's clearance here. So there's a bolt right there. This thing clear it. It was a concern. I think it's kind of heavy. With these T-nut. Yes, they are. Hold on. You don't need to tighten them really much to get them to hold. Anyway, that's that. Oh hey, welcome. Very cool watching your work. Been a long time since I watched your stuff. I love to have so many leftover pieces to have bought in both in piece project log. Yeah, no, it's what is it? It's a double-edged sword. So for example, if you buy what? Where do I buy? It's not really that God, I buy. Oh, there we go. These balls, these machine balls. They I only need 2 of them, but they never sell in that quantity. So now I have these for like years now, and I was like, what the heck am I gonna do it? These are what is it? These are ball bearing. Yeah, ball bearing. Ball bearing. So I use them for my calibration probe to get a perfect circle on that thing. Pretty cheap to do so in the way that I did, but yeah, anyway. Yeah, that's that. All right, let's go to the printer. Yeah, no, that I think what happened is that in Shenzhen there's like that one company that still survive doing the exact same thing. Well, 1 or 2. There's like 2 or 3 different type of box that I'm looking at right now. Yeah, it hits that for you. yeah. All right. I'm gonna distribute now. Now, let me just put it on. I may not be able to read the chat very often. Anymore, but gonna should just fit. Yeah, it should just fit. The challenge is not getting it to stay on. The challenge is to adjust for it, because I had some what's it, a 5mm up and down was it tolerant for this thing. So there's a chance that it didn't work at all. Look, I need to lower it quite substantially, I think. Right. Okay, I need to tie that up. Put that up. Ooh. I think I got it perfect actually. Now, I'll show you in a sec, but what's after? What am I after? Oh right. There's one thing that I missed. Back to this view now. There's one thing that I missed, and I there it is. It's a pusher. So when you design thing, there's you know, never tell how long your ruler is. Oh. Wrong. I could never tell how long I need how thick or I need to shell this. So I design it so that I can create a little spacer here where, depending on the thickness of that thing, I can adjust for whatever outcome. If that makes sense. Sound like I'm just talking to in what's it, in my head. One sec. Let's just let me grab the thing. Next. Oh yeah, the funniest thing with LDO kit is that they got a lot of zip tie. That's the good kind too, like a very thin, small one. I could not find them in the right color around here in the UK. I'm sure if I know what I'm looking for, I'll find them in the internet. But it's like, it's the kind of thing that's just like so small that you never bothered to try. But when you do have it, it's just like you appreciate it so much. Dun. Gonna hunt for a screw that fits me now. I think, well, no, first and foremost, I'm going to have to disassemble this event no matter what. Because we already see that. Alright, there we go. A little platform to mount it onto the back of the gantry. So there. Done. And let's make it a lot, yeah, easier. Could not miss. Alright, that's the first piece to screw down. Hey. Oh, like I said, I might have just got it first try. Let's just adjust this for just a little bit though. Yeah, adjust it for a little bit. Need to come up with a written methodology for this. Speaking of, god damn, I'm good. I'm so good at this. All right, let's just. No, I'm just because I got it perfect first time. That's great, but as a developer, it's my job to start thinking about how other people may not have that smooth of experience like me, right? So the first thing I notice is this little tab here on the side corner. If you shove it too close to the motor mount here, you basically lost the function of being able to go up and down for adjustment. So if there we go. Then there is also the use of T-nut. No, because these T-nuts best. No, let me show you. Yeah, these T-nut here, they are the best for like easy to put in place. It's very easy to tighten anything in place, but it's not very useful for when you're trying to have something that is adjustable. So I'm gonna replace one of these for with a spring T-nut. And the reason, understand now that what you meant, you'd put it on the machine. What else it would have done would mean? I hope whatever other meaning you were thinking about was not dirty. If I get it right the first try, I'll try on thing I do convince myself I can make it better and normal. Interesting to see you thinking about the end user. You'll be surprised. Now, what is it now? It's a part of being developed now because it's an experience, right? So basically, the reason why I do the thing the way that I do is because I have a lot of experience as the end user already. So I am, the parent project for this. No, not the parent, sorry. The the project that inspired the MissChanger debacle for the last 2 years. It's called Tab Changer. And Tab and Self Changer. There's like 2 of them. And the one thing that I know that kind of just stick out to me when I was I trying to pick up the project as a user back then is that the developer did not really want to do the supporting things. So Tab Changer, the creator of Tab Changer, he's a brilliant guy for sure, but he did not set out to design something for a lot of people to use. You notice it very early on when you're trying to get him to when you're trying to get him to help you with things. No, not to adopt feature or something. He'll just be radio silent for months, and then he'll come back 6 months later, and then do something completely different from what you were suggested. So that's something for one, as a developer, that's annoying. But as a user, if you need something and if the developer haven't thought of it, or he just don't reply to you when come to help, it get very annoying very quickly. So I try here, and well, and if you think from the position of the developer in that situation, I cannot be there to help people all the time, and I broke something. Cannot be there to help all the time, so I need to design something that people can naturally figure it out without my help. And one of the things that I'm still testing here are these silicon wiper. The key with silicon wiper is they work with PETG. Oh, nothing dirty. I thought I must have missed something. You thought were the pusher piece as a spacer to move the whole assembly up it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, so what I'm saying here. So what I am trying to do right now, I'm trying to test these out. These are silicon wiper that was designed for the what is it? A4 bamboo A4. So the idea is that if I use something a component from a machine that is popular, I'm more likely to keep to them to be in stock. Other people to also get later on down the line. So I need 2 of these and tick them like that with VSP. Immediately, what I noticed, unfortunately, is that these things are silicon. Silicon is horrible when it comes to trying to stick to anything, and it just falls off. All right. Yeah. Not sure about this. Yeah. So they fall off immediately as soon as you're trying to hit them on the corner from the side. Yeah, so the original M3 tape on it already fell off. It didn't. The M3 tape didn't even make it to the onto a machine. It's literally at the moment I took it out of the box, it immediately slipped off the silicon, which is absolutely annoying. Although that is the reason why we want silicon in the first place, because for 3D printing, PETG is a horrible material to deal with in the sense that it sticks to brass. It loves brass and it loves itself. So when I had PETG material, you print with PETG, and I have brass nozzle, brass brush, it actually stick to the brass so much that it lumped up and create a giant ball of doom. And yeah, doesn't go too well. That doesn't go too well if you're trying to print a lot. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stick this where at the point where it was working before. So the problem with this problem that we're facing right now is that when you hit this thing on the side, i.e. the two head go from there to there, it will hit this and rip it off. But if you go in by this door here and move left and right, there isn't enough material holding it back. It won't fall off as hard, as easy at least. So that's what I'm trying to do. We'll do that. Now, that we're keeping that. I'm still not exactly sold on the idea of using that bring the T nut there. Oh man. All right. A little more to make sure. I'm gonna rip this whole thing off, and no, I'm gonna remake this in a better with some mod anyway later, so I'm not too concerned of breaking it. But yeah, so far so good. Let's go on the hot software and see if it works. I can imagine that's annoying for sure. Thank you for the service. Yeah, just laughing about that one. With silicon, could you maybe swash it down, or with a screw it into the hole? We can try. Now the key, if I can avoid it, I might as well. But yes, that is absolutely one of my no, not with a screw, must say, because we can get some very thin metal cable, and then we just just tighten it down, tighten it down round, and hold the whole thing in place. So I just need to drill a hole through the little assembly that it is sitting on, the little spacer. So yeah, so we definitely not. It's not impossible. It just I want to see if we can get away with it. Right. So let's put that there. Yeah, and as always, yes, it's a little bit clutter. So just stare at the printer a bit for me. I'll need to clean up my desk so that I can get it back. Get to my keyboard. Ooh. We are going to this scene now. And for those who are wondering what the no video one is, it's actually a video one for my tablet, but we're not drawing anything right now, so I just leave it at that. Where is... Right. Now we are... Oh wait, no. Oh wait, actually, I just realized something. Let's go Libre Wolf. Now I had decided to have 3 browsers on my computer. One for the stream, one for me, and the other one is for a clam, yeah. Like a clam, yeah. Where was I? What am I after? Oh, I need to grab the... the 3 browser thing actually work very well. Because each browser, because I stream on both Twitch and YouTube now. So... Oh, my desktop is my desktop. Just wait until it got into the current version. It swapped out like every hour or so. So you may or may not get to see the what my current desktop look like right now at some point. And oh, Slippery Wood does not work with this. Okay, good to know. No, it's not Slippery Wood. It's the land. Not that either. Land 2. There we go. Oh, this desktop is back when I still have the MacBook. Watch it now. Hello. Why is it not? Uh-oh. Alright, let's turn it on and off again. Yep, I restarted the machine. Hopefully I didn't flip the switch too hard. Right? Oh, I might know what's going on. One sec. Yeah, I might not be able to show you. I can't show you this because I logged into my router. Because there's a channel I forgot to reserve the IP. So it's swapped. Alright, let's turn on. Oh. Okay. Yeah, definitely forgot to reserve the IP. Oh. Why now? 165. Oh, there we go. Interesting. Rename here. Edit bookmark. Okay, there we go. That's it. Is the thing. What do we want? Oh, we want the home first. Do that. I think gonna pop out, but not without any issue. Yeah, good. And you're gonna see it pull back. The bed go up. And I love that sound. That sound good. Okay. Okay. Now, what I'm after is first, I'm gonna send the bed down 50 mil. That way it get away out away from the dock coming in. Right. And then we're trying to line the X up with the nozzle. Nice, am I at the machine? So are we over there? I'll be right back. See if I can log into this little computer here. No. Nope. One thing with Linux is that they don't process fingerprint very well. Ooh, no, not machine. There we go. Okay. So we are back to what y equal 300. Oh, 290. We go backward 290. Good. Nothing scraping. Now I just need to align the X to the little lip here on the thing. And hard one there's under another. Okay. About I say 53, yep. 53. Yeah. It's 53. And while we at it. Oh, actually, let's write it down and then go to, because I want to show off how the software works. Okay? It would be really bad if I have to make everyone keep like have to write their own code and all of that. So I had, in fact, thought of that. And then I'll recreate a page for config page for it. It's gonna still look like a bunch of code, but it's less crazy. Okay, 300 barely work. And max range. Yeah, max range. Max range is 310. That's good. I can see that 300. So somewhere between 310 and 305. No, 310, 300, sorry. Gonna be 305. Yeah, 305. Where is that? 305. X start. No, Y start, sorry. 305 millimeter. X start. Let me see what I need to grab from the. It's been so long, I forgot what I did. So let me just check what I need to do here. So star X star Y and X and Y. So let's call this in start X. Okay. So we got Y start. Let's go for we got Y start, X start. Let's go for what's that? 90. Hmm. Hmm. 95. NX is 95. 95. And Y. And Y is 300. If it's 300, it'll be really cool. No, it's 301. That's good. That's better. CO2 and y equal 302. Okay, there we go. All right, now from here will it be some failsafe to stop the movement when x axis that far back? Yes, there are. It's in Clipper itself. In Clipper itself, there is a failsafe to make sure that it will never just try to tear itself apart as it go all the way back. And for the, I think you mean the Y in go all the way back. There is a 10mm buffer zone. There's a 10mm buffer zone between. So basically, the Y gantry actually can go 310, not 300. So there's 10mm of the nozzle just hovering in midair, and that's what I'm using right now to actuate the system. So at 300, that's when the mechanisms are triggering, and the thing start pushing out. There's also a safe in the software. There's also a safeguard where if the bed is not low enough, it won't go out. Oh no, if the bed is not low enough, it will lower it before it starts wiping. And it's all, well, regardless what it's all accumulated to is in here. So you basically draw, I'm drawing a little box here. So star X is 53. 53 star Y. Ooh. Star Y, yeah, well, 310? 305. 305. And X is 95. 95. And Y is 302. Alright, so with this, the nozzle will never touch the hot. And yeah, with this, the nozzle will just never gonna touch the plastic edges of the wiper. And I don't want it to go too fast, so that's what there is. 10,000, yes, it can hold. Minimum rush speed. And for now, let's bid it 5. Normally during print time, I want it 3. Right, for printing, I want it 3. For now, and there's purge as well here. You may notice. Yeah, that's all good. Save that. Restart. And let's see if I get this first try. So let's just home and then also clean. Don't need to do anything else. Oh my, something just snapped. Wait not. Did it just snap? I need to do that again. I heard something loud happening. So just go back again. Change the camera there. Yep. There's a skipped step. So clearly something wrong had gone wrong. So let's do that again. Wait. Okay. It worked this time. What happened? Yeah, it worked this time, but I don't know why. Try it again. Yeah, no, it worked fine. Okay, well, that was easy. That was easy. All right, so I said it was easy, but there are some changes need to be required upon assembly. So software work easy at least. Okay. Where were we? Transition here. There we go. So let me just put this away. There's a little notebook here. Don't need it. Okay. Okay, actually let's go to one. Ooh, I forgot I enabled that. I'm surprised those. It seemed like we managed to get away with it. I'm gonna lie, with the nozzle brush. But with that said, we shall do some editing still. Yes. I'm trying to buy time. I need to think of what exactly I'm going to be doing. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's the mouse. Okay. And low buffer, nozzle cleaner. Right, nozzle mà. Right. Ooh. Okay, give it a hot minute. A FreeCAD V. Okay. Oh shit, close it. No. So what I need to do now is make a copy of everything. Literally everything. So right now I think I can show you this. Yeah. Right now here's all the design that I have. I need to put them all in a box, and then copy it, paste one at a time over. First, we have a major release. Not a major. It's a large release coming out with V 1.0, 1.1. FreeCAD V 1.0. Yep. Grab all this. Yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. And what happened? Why not? Oh, that's moving. It's you don't see it because my notification is out of the screen, essentially. So yeah, it's moving quickly. Yeah, and all of these on the left is cloud file, so it's actually downloading all the file. Sure. And it is done. Oh, so nice. Okay. All right. So, what do we start with? We start with the thing that we just worked on. That is the nozzle cleaner. All right, just put that out. Put it in. All right. It's all look good now, but at any moment things can go kaboom on us, unfortunately. Anyway, yeah, the thing that I want to change is actually this. What's it? Brownish. I don't know what this color is, but this. Oh yeah, a dark orange here. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I need to add a little hole here to mount a bolt that allows it to. That for the bolt. No. I need a hole in the side for the bolt to go through and clamp the little rod down. Yeah, that's gonna do. How we do that? Oh, we don't want to finish. That's the funnel. That's the base. So we get rid of this. We'll finish it back up later. I did not thought this through. Oh crap. Oh wait, no, I did. What a champ. Okay. So yeah, so I have some. Can I zoom in? No, I cannot. Ah, damn it. Can you FreeCAD? What's wrong with you and accessibility? I'm a bit colorblind, so call it whatever. Red brown to me. Yeah, no, I think it's a reddish brown. I was about to say it looked like actually I have not thought of anything that it may look like, but I got rid of it. The reason is now the way that it works with FreeCAD, at least for me design, is that I have old version of things just stacking on top of each other, and when you build a new version of it, I want some feature of the old one. That's why I just duplicated the old file, the old object. This is there's a clone of it in here, of an old object in here. Oops. Of the old funnel in here, and then I just edit on top of it. That way it's more stable basically, and I can categorize things in terms of file within the box here. Anyway, I need a new folder. I'm gonna put into the design bucket. I'm gonna call it v4 underscore 1, oh no, 2 underscore 0. And then I'm gonna try to copy the base out of this other one. There we go. Didn't work. Okay. No base. Grab that. Clone that. Grab it in there. And I'm gonna just rename it. That's smart. I will steal that idea. Yeah, it's I resorted to it eventually when after I broke too many model. But you have the full tree of model, and you try, and then you realize that, hey, oh wait, there's a feature for the base object. All this rely on the models on top of it. So if I try to edit the funnel now, the silicon, the padding, for example, will break, or the pusher will break, more likely. So yeah, so just leave the tree on its own and make a new tree. Specifically for this one, I don't need to make any other tree other than this one object here. Everything else seems pretty pretty solid. Oh wait, no, that and this block here need to change. So I'm gonna hide the finishing here. I don't need that no more. Okay. Yeah. So on the side, step 1 is to create iteration on top of each other. Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's about the iteration. Yeah. Wait. What's I'm after? I'm after. Where did I put it? Oh, I lost my muscle memory now that I have. Wait. Where's the tandem plane? Am I blind? Like that, yeah. Click on that, yeah. And create a tandem plane. Oh, did they remove the tandem plane? FreeCAD? It would be big news if they very ballsy news if they did that. So, art design. Yeah. I'm sure they just. What's this? A binder, not a binder, not a clone. We are looking for the tandem plane. Yeah, for those who don't know, tandem plane is just plane on top of that represent that what a plane you go for. I think they removed it. Holy crap! These normal other CAD software don't do that, because you can just click on a face here and start editing on it. You can do it here on FreeCAD too, but back in the day there was a bug called the topology naming problem, and well, let's just say the tandem plane was the saving grace that allow us to actually still use FreeCAD. So did they remove the tandem plane? Plane in FreeCAD 1.1. You use Onshape, so I'm no help. Yeah, no worries. I'm pretty sure I'm one of the few people who is like actually better at FreeCAD than most people. I wouldn't say that. I know Mango, what is it, Mango Jelly, for example. He's much better than I am. In terms of what, knowing what the what need to be done, we follow it more closely. Yes. Oh, hello. That's a ballsy move. Okay, I'll play your game. Hey, the only reason why you ever needed was because the old FreeCAD was not reliable enough for us to not do it. But now that they removed it, hey, if it breaks, it's on FreeCAD, yeah. If it breaks, it's on them. Okay, what am I want here? I can't believe they actually did it. Turn a new leaf. Let's see. I want it to center for no reason. Construction line. Oh, I need to get used to this. Wait, no. Yeah, no, wait. Okay, anyway, okay. Can do that now. Center vertical. This one will be dimensionally free. Yeah, that's good. I just need that hole to be like that so that I can have a center. I need the center of it. And I use this hole function here to drill a hole. Ooh, that's so cool. Now, can I grab this and put it over here? Yeah, sure. Why not? Oh wait, I just realized it. There we go. This one to float. That's it. Where do I put this? Nope. But yes. Alright, fine. No, because this window is tend to be temporary. Not very I want to put it down here, but that's where the property window is. So never mind. And I know if I put it onto the right, which is where I used to have it, you guys will have a hard time seeing it. So that's what I'm doing here. Standard isometric here. They have more more holes. Hole type. Boom, drill it. Oh, why is it red though? I don't know why it's red. Okay, but whatever. Threading no. Header type. Counterboard. Now, how big is the counterboard? How do I want to climb it down? Let's see, 6 mil. I did. Yeah. You know what? I say we can go with this. Yeah, let's go with this. Okay, let's just go with that for now. And that's one. I do not exactly the same one on this side as well. Save it. Oh yeah, one of the funny thing that I discovered with FreeCAD, funny enough. Oh, it didn't auto hide. Overlay. Yeah, there will. Toggle overlay, that's auto hide it so that I can get my full screen view. This now. This one is not as nicely done. Oh no, that's nicely convenient. Gonna grab that face there. That one there. Join them. Create top one that I want. Right, there we go. That one just need to be construction. Dimensionally. Okay. Okay, now we shall hold it down as well. This time. Ooh. Where's my task viewer? Hello? Wait, it's down here now? What the hell? Wait, this is okay, down here. I can still see it, right? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Gonna piss me off in a minute, but it's fine. Header type, count the board, standard type, and no 6. Oh, count the board. Huh? Where does this feel? Why does it feel a little wrong there? Oh, hello. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna do that again. So, standard, isometric, regular, that's forward enough. 3M3 by 1.5, header type, count the board. Yeah. What's what? I just can't get around the fact that they make it red. Because red to me usually mean things go wrong. And also, why is there... Oh yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Okay. That's that, save that. And now, do I want to go extra on it? I do, yeah, actually. Okay, so let's grab that face in the inside now. Draw on it. Where's the cutaway? Oh, I'm gonna need to get used to this. Boom. Oh, grab that. And we want a rectangle. Oh, and that. Ooh. It didn't need to be this big, but convenient. Can't help it. It's convenient. Make it easy to print as well. Horizontal. Now, how big is a nut? Oh god, I forgot. M3 nut. Where is my M3 nut? There we go. Get that nut. Grab me my caliber. Boom, 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 boom. And that is 0. 5.3. Side to side. So we're gonna have one of these two now with a hexagon. We're gonna go because it print from the bottom up, so we go this way, yeah. Vertical. And 5 point what? That's where I need to make it 5.4. Let's go with 5.4, yeah. Doesn't round over too much. So we want a distance here. Give it some strength. 2 mil is good. That's 2 mil as well. Why the color looks so washed out? Kinda weird, man. Okay, so we extrude it by wrong way. Reverse. Now what happened? Extrude it. Why not close? Why not close? Cancel. There's an unclosed wire somewhere. What the hell is that? Oh wait, maybe something in the center? Oh wait, no, I don't want that. What wire? God damn it. If I have delete something, I shouldn't. Okay, let's get rid of these first. If that won't work. With the center, do that. No, wire not close. Okay. Okay, so definitely, so it's that thing there in the middle. That. Oops. Grab the center again. Shape. Vertical, and just trying to extrude that. See how that go. Wire not close. Okay, we might found ourselves a bug. That's very early on. I get rid of this and still get a wire close. Oh. Wire not close. Huh. That's new. Okay. Okay. What we can do, first of all, is count it as a bug. Every time. Everything but the sketch. Oh no, okay, that's got to be done, but no, so what I've done is that I delete everything that could have caused that I basically delete every wire, and then I just re-enable the one feature that I thought can be done, and that automatic feature, the hexagon there, was the problem. So actually, let's just show you. If I take a rectangle here now and trying to extrude it, oops, what happened there? Ah, something go wrong. Oh. There we go. Oh wait. Ah, there's a wire somewhere in the middle of nowhere down there. Is that? Okay, let's get rid of this. Oops. Yes. That can go as well. And then, yeah. So what I think what? Oh yeah, there was something in there down there. Just a minute, a second ago, like just tiny little shape. I don't know what that is, but it is what broken. So if I get rid of all that entire sketch, should allow me to work on it again. Okay. Cut away. You can grab in the center. Oh, FreeCAD now you allow you to turn that into something else, I think. Oh. Okay. Okay, there we are. Let's diagnose the issue before we continue now. Oh, there we go. What's our problem? The hell did that extra thing appear? I need to count that as a bug. I didn't do anything wrong. Where's computer view? FreeCAD bug 47. All right, there we are. Anyway, oops. Grab that line. Okay, let's distance y once again. This one is dimensionally 5.4, right? Yep, 0.4. That one is 2. That one is 2. You know what? I'm not gonna be bothered running the whole extra construction line and all that. Just make that 2, and that's all good. Straightforward enough. All right, and second time. Hello, what happened? I thought we fixed it. Wait, is the lot? Is this the one? I think this is the one, right? Can't believe I ran into a problem. First thing. What? Wait, why is that line there? Oh my god, no you're not. It was a new feature. So if this thing is a breakaway, I see. If this thing is a break line, that means it's a construction reference line. But if I click on that and make it that, you can actually extrude using that line. Okay, good to know. It was not a bug? Maybe? No? Also, I have mixed feeling about how dim these lines are. It might be a little too much. Alright, how much are we going for? 2.25. 2.5. .5. Yeah, we'll go. Yeah, that's good. Good enough. We'll round it out later. Now we need to do the same over here. Wait, no. First thing we need to check really quick. Pusher. Trigger. Uh-oh. How do we check without needing to do too much? Let's see. Okay, I need to make an assembly really quick. Wait, now. Oh yeah, no. In one of these old one, there's a sketch that I can use. I think it's this one. No, not that one. Where's that sketch gone? It's funnel. Oh no, it's not funnel. Yeah, it's funnel. It's a very base sketch, and we use. Okay. On. Ooh, that may not be a good idea. Okay. And the pusher will land when at the very bottom. It will be here. So this seems to be too skinny of the distance between there, but then that furthest point and that thing there. I need to trim this down. Either that or just move the whole bolt backward. Yeah. The idea of it being in the center was arbitrary anyway. Let's just hide that now. Yeah, so let's just move it backward, like instead of in the center and have it in a quarter way up. I think that's the path of least resistance there, instead of what I had before. Oh god, now I am paranoid about getting it to exactly a quarter. Oh, but why did this one work though? That's strange. Oh yeah, maybe because I didn't use the extrusion tool. Okay, we want it to go. Okay, the third is too much. So let's just go for. No, it's a quarter, maybe too much. So let's go for a quarter for now. See how that go. Or construction line. Construction line is. Do I have a shortcut for this? No. Horizontal. Oops, don't do that. Do them horizontal. That's redundant. Horizontal. Equal, I mean. No. So I'll go from there to now there. Nah, quarter would be better. Quarter would be better. So I'm gonna do with edges. Going now. I'll catch up later. Yeah, thanks for dropping by. Align the new. Okay. Same in here. Actually, what we can do instead of drawing that line, just line it up with the other one. Yeah. Oh. Not that. One. That way, these two will always line up. Vertical. There we go. Yep, just like that. Oh. I've been eating a lot lately. Like a lot. Maybe too much lot. Okay, so and grab that other hole. Oh no, not that hole. Other hole. Okay, there we go. Oh. What? New welcome to chat room. Why is it draw a line saying welcome to chat room? Where that came from? Nowhere. Okay. Grab that, put it there. And then I also want that one. Oop. And that one. Line here. Oh, okay, no. Before we go away, let's grab that one. Well, I don't think I need all both of them, but we'll see. Away. That vertical one. That one. Yeah, I didn't need this one. Once again, why are you making construction line like that? Wait, why did it? Okay. File setting. Okay. I need to change that default behavior. I don't want the construction line to be what is it? I don't want the construction line to be an actual. I want it to be a reference, not a thingy. Used to it being a reference. Oh, search preference, yeah, construction. Wait, reference? Reference? What is this called? No. Yeah. Ooh, also. Projection and intersection. This would be very useful. Can't say why yet, but that's gonna be very useful. And in external, right? Yeah. Need to find reference. External. Yeah, external. Definition. iPhone. What? Oh wait, and as construction. Yeah, there we go. That's the one. There we go. Okay, like that. Then, ooh. Why are you still... Alright, yeah. Connect that. That should be it. We extrude it once again by 1.5, 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. I only need 2.2, but 2.5. Yeah, that is a little bit larger than needed, but it's alright. Just gonna sunk a little bit. That's it. That's all the change there is. And this one, save that. Now, do I have, where does all my metal wire go? What I'm asking to myself right now. I don't have a metal wire. What I'm gonna do, we can brush. Here is make a clone of that. Oh wait, no, I don't need to make a clone of that. That silicone brush is really the last thing that in that whole basket. Is gonna re-edit on top of it. It's fine. It's fine. How bad can it be? It doesn't even need to be all that what is it? Vertical. Draw on this. Oh, cancel. Wait, why are you creating problem? Oh yeah. I actually haven't deleted the reference yet. Delete these two. I don't trust Philip and stuff. Oh, I did this. So let me draw on that. Now add squares. This shape is the easiest to print, so I'm just gonna do it like that. Oh, let's grab. Ways. Oh my god. This yeah, some of these new icons gonna take me a while to get used to. Contour. Do I want to equal? Yeah, just do this first. Yeah. Nope, wrong button again. Okay, these two are equal. And dimensionally, I want that to be 1 mil. 1 mil? 1 mil. 1 mil. I can find some 1 mil wire somewhere. Oh, I think. Maybe. Also the location of the line flip. But anyway, that worked. And we're just gonna give it a random number here. 6. 6 is good. Good 5. Yeah, this is fine. Good. Alright, put it through. Like that. That's it. That the hole to tie down the thingy. And now we just rounded some corner. Better. Rounded the corner. Okay. That's fine. Just keep it that. You would never see this component anyway. So, leave it like that, and we chamfer it by 0.4. Yep. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. So with that, we actually, I'm gonna move all of this now into that basket. Or should I? I'm thinking. I don't want to copy paste them over because that's gonna create a huge amount of extra thing that for the computer to compute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. Okay. So now, yeah, so now V1 is only that one. That's left for V1, 4.1. We're doing it with 4. This one now. Oh, I remember one thing. Very important. Very important. This thing is broken now. This file. No, this. A bunch of these finishing thing is broken. So that's for a fact. The oh, why are these clone here? Oh wait, now I remember. They are there because the assembly. Wait, may allow me to work on it? I don't know. All right, let's do the base. Why? I mean, yeah, there were. I was missing some stuff. Undo all what I had done. Redo what I have done. Yep, that's good. Okay. Okay. So, anything we want to change here? I'm trying to think. Very happy what I have, to be honest. So, anyway, so let us create a clone. And the reason why we do the clone here, uh, okay. I'm saying the reason why we play with the clone is because in an assembly you cannot import a feature of a thing. So even if it visually and you can unpack a clone and see the thing inside it, you cannot import that thing into assembly, which is why I had to do the way that I'm doing now. Could be done. Where is that? And anyway, the reason why this folder is here because these are first one go. That one can go. I know this. These are the folder that contain everything. No, not. Oh my god! I keep wrong button. Almost delete everything I just done. Okay. No worry. Yeah. Where was I? Yes. We want to chamfer every edge on. Maybe not every edges. But let's just give it a go. Can I chamfer for 0.4 on every edges? And how minutes? Let the compute happen. Oh no, I cannot. Yeah. I know. So no, you need to. So I guess I have to do the caveman thing and just select the edges myself. Set that. Cancel. Instead of doing that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to round some of these out. Make it a little bit pleasing to work with. choosing the vertical right now. The vertical, the vertical line to round out right now. Because if you round out horizontal line, the 3D printer gonna look at that and they're gonna make a mess out of it. Oh, wait, like those, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, this one gonna stay, like that. Um, 1 mil is fine. One on that one. Yeah, let's do that one too. Okay, I take it back. Yep. I want these as well. Die. It look a little bit cleaner, I suppose. The test for that, especially this here. How would that look? We're layering things in over it, so it may not look good, but it does. Okay, never mind. Okay, I keep going. 0.4 actually, not 1. We don't need to do it that much there. More importantly, we want to do it at the bottom. But it's not. Alright, but it's not selecting. That 0.4. And honestly, that's all. Does this one work? Does this one got a review? No, it doesn't. Yeah. This is why I was skeptical of it working. Because if you're trying to cut and kind of chamfer into that corner there's a conflict. So because I did that corner, I cannot do a top bit here. That is what it is. So, how about this one? Oh, this one actually worked. That's new. Thought that it only sort of worked. You can see right there. Okay, let me just say, okay, that yeah, it broke the file, but it sort of worked. So I definitely do not want this. Yeah, like that. I want that. Maybe that on top. Yep. Okay. One, two. Anything else? I think that's it. My final answer. That's it. That's the thing that I'm gonna use. After the print. Okay, I was for a second. I was worrying about the print going on failing. Oh yeah. So I was speaking earlier about having new colors. So we got some orange going on. We got some blue already printed, and now I got yellow and green. So I can basically just cycle between them as I print out the new component for this thing here. And yeah, that's gonna be a fancy. It's gonna be a disco light. That new component. Those new component. Epic. Okay, so now we save that. And now we export them. Make sure that one has the holes in it. Yep, that's how the holes. Hose. Oh, I'm trying to think of anything else I may want, but no, I don't think so. I think I got what I wanted. Everything I wanted, yeah. Oh wait, no, miss one. Oh, miss one. Miss this corner. It would have been really awkward if that was printed. Right. Right. Not David. Do you want to drop? No, it's fine. It's fine. I was gonna say, because the VSP tape that I use pushed the whole dock up by 2 millimeter. I might want to drop it down by 2. Then I realized it's gonna work just fine. So let's not. Trying to think of if anything else I might want to do. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think so. Go with that. Okay. Okay, so because it's printing anyway, I'm done. Board? Where is it? Cleaner. Oh, I need to re-export everything. Okay. Cleaner. Hit them. Save that there, millimeter. I just put in everything. Yeah. Yeah, the one thing I do mess up window is the file browser will show me that what I'm doing real time, unlike what KDE is doing to me right now, where I have to close to reopen the window to see what I have done with all these files. Click. And we save it. That's good. All right. Let's see if they had improved this. I ideally hope that they do improve it. Can I? Oh, it's down here. Can I grab the base first? Always, yeah. Put that in center. Funnel, trigger, mirror. Oh, something other thing there. Okay. Okay. And one thing to do now is to hide all of those. Yeah. Let's see, my things are moving. I'm gonna count. I know I already count this as a bug on Saturday when I made it the first time, tried the first time. But if it's still failing now that I updated, I will count it as a bug again. D was cylindrical. I do not think that they fix it. Only one way to find out. D for distance. That. Okay. Oh. Okay. So D for distance again. Oh no, actually let's see electrical. Cancel. D for cylindrical. That. And oh my lord, why is it jumping around? And oh, didn't click. And that, there we go. Okay. Up. D for distance. That face. Oops, that face. Well, it takes several clicks to do anything on this workbench right now. Whatever. Oh, it didn't work. Okay. And so I don't know what to turn distance. Oh, try something. No, because I can't remember how I designed it at all, so it may not be my fault, this one. Let's see for ourselves though. Yeah, that was not. It's yeah, probably. It's probably me. Yeah, it's probably me. Distance between that face and that line, not a face. Beautiful. Okay, that way I can move this up and down. Ah, good. Oh, don't jump. Don't jump too far. All right, C forward. Go again. Grab that. Put it the hole. Okay, put it in its place. C for distance. Again. Okay. C. C. That hole. And that hole. Oh. C for distance. One. Ah. That line. Oop, not connect, sorry. D for distance between that and that. Nothing happened. What did I do? Okay, maybe not that. What did I do? Oh, you know what? That one and that one can be parallel. Yep. Oh wait, what just happened? The new document saved. New document cannot be linked. Not linked. If the new document is not saved, the new part cannot be linked in the assembly. Cancel. Not linked. I don't know what part one is. That's new. I never seen this before. What happened? Oh wait. Why are you not moving? It bugged out on us. Bugged out on me. No. Maybe I get rid of that specific one and over there. Maybe that distance was the problem. No, not that distance. No. I'm gonna have. Yeah, get rid of that distance. See? Okay. Wait, not that. Oh, I choose the wrong one or something. No, give me some problem now. Oh, the availability. Oh, the assembly workbench is still a mess. Oh, guess I can't come back in 10 years' time. Darn it. There is some function here that is just broken. Cylindrical. I think this one worked. Oh, it didn't. Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, Lord. Oh, there's a fix it down here somewhere. Okay. Okay, so let's break away anything that is not working and rebuild from there. Right. That one is essentially free, that's like that. And clearly okay. Alright. Alright. See. Come on. Come on. Use. Ah, there we go. See. There's a little bug right now where okay. Oh, it worked. Why are you you not showed up, please? Seriously, I do need you to disappear like eventually. Oh my god. Alright, I'll counter that's a bug. Because I need that to be resolved or not in focus. I'm gonna take a picture of this for the instruction. Anyway, that one and that one have a D distant. Just like that. That's why. Ooh my. Okay, now things get a little trippy. I need to go and find myself a funnel. Oh boy, it's actually very trippy. Oh no, not D, not D, not D. D. For grabbing that and that. Step one, step one. Again. Fine. That one. There we go. Okay. D. For that. And that. No, not that, sorry. So that D. Mention, not C. Wait, what's this? Oh crap, what did I do? Okay, yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. Oh my, what did I do? What did I do? Hello? Save that first. Cancel. D for distance. That. That. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is gonna be a little... Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. That is supposedly parallel. Okay. No. Cancel. Don't link. Don't make that link. I don't know what happened. But something broke. Also, I want this. Remember when I said okay, I got great. I just gonna go crazy if I keep seeing. I have to look down for this. I'll put that over there. Link. Oh, link. Oh, what's these two? Is the reason why I got something broken on this machine? This assembly. I think that's I must trip some sort of shortcut on this. Doesn't. Yeah, but so those link thingy probably tripped some shortcut. Not what got imposed accidentally on my part. I don't know on my part or if, on FreeCAD, but it got tripped accidentally. That is why our trouble. Now that I know that it is, I just that. Alright, so now base, I make that toggle transparency, see through it. AI. Yeah, I don't need to parallel. Come on. Oh, so close. Unless that happened. Okay, never mind. Oh. Okay, no. This is it. This is just leave it. Just leave it. Distant. Just turned gray for a second, and I always got gray. Got worried because of that. Okay. Oh my god, this thing is slightly out of. Oh, gonna piss the hell out of me. Ah. Jeez, it's like a landmine. Yep. Yeah. Right now, as of right now, this whole assembly is actually slightly tilted in compare. Isn't compared to the No, I wanted. Let's have it the finished part back. And yeah, you see the whole thing is slightly tilted for some whatever reason. Why is it tilted? It must be this, isn't it? I must have. Right? I must have accidentally put something like that along that line. Right? No? Oh. Why? Oh boy. Oh! Why did it tilt itself? Cancel. Alright. Alright. Piston. One last try. If this doesn't work, then I'll get rid of this assembly. Oh. Okay. This is simply, yeah, something is very, very broken. And discard that. So this assembly cannot be used. Yes. So finish. Yeah, I don't need to clone now because I have settled for the reality of my situation. Okay. Out there. This one. I move just that one. A tall order, but yep, I totally can. Yep. Because everything is designed on top of each other. I can just drag them. The finished one to the right position like that. It's not like I'm have a moving assembly or anything. I can afford to do just this. Make it simple. Easy. Okay. Nice and easy. Oh, and I need the pusher, funnel, and this silicon pad. Can I back them out a little bit? Okay, never mind. Let's do them one by one. Transform. Yeah, this essentially is a extended position here, like just like that. It's glued on top of each other. You don't really need. I don't really need to be all that precise with this. Not that I can. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I can be precise with it, even if I want. Wait, no, there we go. Wait, no, no. 1 more millimeter. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I actually like that to be slightly a millimeter back. I think. Yeah, I want it to be slightly back. Okay, good. Oh, that's it. Good. It's good. Good now. Now we need to take pictures. Save that. Now just in time. Okay. How do we do this? Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm just trying to think to myself, how do I exactly am I gonna get done? Why is there a wait, why is there oh okay, there we go. Yeah, why is that this weird okay, first of all, when I need to put that there, I'm used to it being there instead of where it was before. That one. Yeah. Okay, cam. Wait, no, I don't need cam. Oh, oh yeah, there's a bug in the UI, but that's okay. I'm not gonna count that much. I'm gonna not that picky. This does not look good in a block in a light background. I need to go use the bathroom. Be right back, chat. Also, the text is blown out because of this. All right, let's go back to here. And clearly we have a color problem. But not just with the print, mind you. There's a problem with the stream as well, it seems. Text in the corner on top there, it doesn't seem too nice. So let me just open the stream up on my little device here. Ah, man, how did all those streamers did all of this? Oh, problem with being a YouTube addict is that trying to open YouTube for my thingy, but then as soon as I did, I saw a thing that I want to watch. Random color. Deep red seem like nice. I can't believe how washed out this is when you add it to this page. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, no. Add the picture. Yeah, kinda. That green washes out when you add it to the page. Let's just take a picture of this first. In case I like it. It's in case I I change my mind on that picture there. One thing that I still passively refuse to do is what is it called? One thing that I still refuse to do to this day is that I tend to not. Oh my god! One sec. No, cancel. Still refuse to create the CAD file for all the non-printed component. So there's a metal rod between these two. I haven't got it down yet. I don't know why. It's just like a mental block in my head. And just like I don't want to do it. Save that. How we do this? Let me see. Project. It. What else do we need to do? Just before I dribble out this too much. Because what the ACTM? Yes. That's the other thing that I'm gonna do. But for now, let me just finish what I have started. Check. Oh, YouTube. Not YouTube, sorry. Where the heck is this guy? Where the heck is here? There we go. Station manual. I need to update the manual. There we go. Brace yourself. Maybe I make that. Maybe I make them solid color. Let's try giving them a solid color then. Toggle transparency. What would that look give me? Right? Well, first of all, I want the pink stood out like a sore thumb. Especially with backdrop against all that stuff. What's this? Pusher, where's the padding? Yeah, there we go. A little bit. About there. A bit about there. Okay. Now that look like on a paper. honestly, not too bad. Right? Not too bad. Grab that. Oh my. Oops. Got to click the yes on the capture. Okay. Okay. Now that I'll use that for the menu. Duplicate page. Right. New boy come in. We shall center it. Just like that. A little smaller. No, it's just a tad smaller. This is the bait. Wait, no, nozzle brush. Nozzle brush. Should I call it optional? No, optional is too. It's what is it? There are too many filaments that require the nozzle brush for me to call this optional. So I called I need a funny line, something that's just like, hey, it's how doesn't it look? There's option. Brace yourself. Options. Option. What do I call this? Scrub. More useful than, oh, it more useful. Useful and more people like. It is more useful than people would admit. You think? People think. Than people think. And people think it is more useful than people think. Oh, what's happened? All right, we can send that back. Into back. Yep. Right, more useful than you people think. Save that. We shall edit, export it. Oh wait, what I'm doing? Just Control E. It didn't work. Never mind. Export that as a WebP. Small and easy to work with. Oh man, I'm trying my best to not have to pay for the hosting of this file, and by expanding the scope of this, not the scope, sorry, as I keep adding to this wiki, worrying that I may trip that line soon. Hope I won't, but you know, soon. Why? Okay. Because if I go past a certain limit, I'm gonna have to pay for a monthly hosting of the file on GitLab, same on GitHub, and yeah, do want to not have to do that, especially when I don't get paid for this. Well, I do get paid, but not enough. Not enough in a sense as I haven't even bothered to put it out, take it out of the Patreon yet. What is it? Where am I looking for? Project. Get wiki. Oh wait, no, upload. Okay. That's that. I need to update the wiki. Which page was it? Oh shit. This one. This live brave wolf. Yep, live brave wolf. GitLab. Yeah, just deal with the chat. This is not. You know where is it? Okay, there you go. There it, oh, there it is. GitLab are the worst. We can't see. Yeah, this is a strange one. If I take a picture, a screenshot in light mode, it will not show up well in light mode. But if I do the inverse, it'll show up like it, and then it's not gonna show up well on a dark mode screen. Where is it? Oh, not offhand. Poop shoot. That's what I call it. Yeah, 16. I'm gonna change the name. NASA cleaner. There we are. Oh, we use this program here. Okay. There we go. Nozzle cleaner. I'm gonna change the name. I was gonna be funny and call it poop shoot, but nozzle cleaner. There's no shooting going on with the poop, so we false advertisement if I do that. And to fill that in, let's just grab some lines up, reference line here. Put there, 6, 8, 8. Printed part. Oh right, need to grab the printed part table as well. Glad this thing's still the way that it is. Printed part table. What did I call this in the thingy? Documentation. Reduce there. Nozzle cleaner. Okay. Wait, no, that's not it. Poop shoot. Alright, let's just delete that. Delete that. Sorry, I'm just call it nozzle cleaner. Nozzle cleaner. BMF. Nice. Oh, and what did the other page say? What did the other page say? Printed part assembly. Yeah. Template. Like that. Coherence is not well practiced between these files right now, and I know it, but yeah, I know it. Guess don't know what to do about it. Preview. BBD to be done. Bar N A4T dock. Ah. Yeah, fine. That's fine. That was good. We're trying to be smart, but I don't think I have that capacity right now. To put that. Oop. Yep. Okay. Oh, just put that about. You see? Yeah, I miss Pop OS. In case anyone who don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, Linux in Linux among the Linux distro, what I'm working with right now is KDE Plasma. It is one currently the better was it distro to be on among the competition because they are refined, but refined and well was it high at a very speedy. It's very speedy. Yeah, refined, stable, and speedy. What KDE is, but I am a long-term Pop user. Pop OS. What am I in here? Update and nozzle wiper. Nozzle wiper. Unfortunately, Pop is literally came out like what, 7 months, 7 months ago. Oh no, 7 or 8 months ago. They're too new. It's literally they're on their first release right now. So there's so many missing features that I cannot just sit beyond that desktop, which is why I'm using this. And I missed it already because they have this function that allow you to stack these windows. It was very useful for the stream. Okay, that key. Hit that. There. Let's go. Push it. Yep. Push. Oh. Okay, that's good. Alright. Okay, so if I refresh this page now, it should give me that picture. It didn't exist. Oh yeah, because I renamed the page. Now to clean up. Like that. And boy, does the white background look a little weird on this. Yeah, I'm gonna live with this. Fine. It's fine. Yep. Fine. Oh, finish the rest later. Right now. I'm trying to think. What do I want to do? There's a big cool one that I want to do on Saturday instead of now. That is to test out the servo and stuff. Test out the electronics for the servo. So if I can show you the file that I want. Yeah. Oh wow. All right. I need to figure out the desktop thingy. If I open that file, this is the file that caused me to jump, and the reason why I done all this, what is it? Make a copy of it all here. I'll show you here. I'm gonna show you now. Yeah. All right, it's ACTM. It's these guy. You see these three? They are meant to be the same file, but this one you can see immediately see something's wrong with. Oh no, there's nothing wrong with it. But then you click on this one. Okay, let's just copy that. Copy. Okay. That. Look all good. Look all good. Yeah. Look all good and all. Okay. Think that maybe all seems well. Right, so let's go and try to work on it or something. So if you click on that, Didn't do anything. Gonna close it, and boom, broke. So FreeCAD from 1.1.0 to 1.1, there are some compatibility problem, as per se. So I need to close it without saving it, so I don't have to revert it or anything. Yeah. So there's no way for me to fix that at all. Because that's the downside of the feature trees, is the way that I do things. Oh, actually, first and foremost, let's change the text on the screen, because these are very hard to tell what is been. Let's see. Maybe purple. Yeah, purple. Purple is slightly lower hint of purple. And that text there can be red and green. Red and green. $3. Yeah, that's too dark. Oop. Green. Okay. Yeah, like that. Okay, keep it at that. Yeah. So tried to fix this a couple of times, didn't work. So I had to create this one instead. This one is just like, so what I had to result to is that I just have to export the part that I want, some of the part that I want out as a step file, and import it back into a new file. So I shall call that a bug. Actually, let's just copy it so that we have some redundancy. Open it. So what we do now is, oh, just give it a moment because I accidentally closed the file. Yep. So I copy. Why is it so on? Yeah, I copied these two over, and I have basically just have to settle for redesigning the entire thing. I want to do it that anyway, but I was hoping that I could just edit the old one. Nevertheless, FreeCAD kind of forced my hand by this update, and I have to do this now. Oh, not exactly happy about it, but you know, not the worst thing in the world. Did I count that as $3? No, I didn't. No, I did not. So let's just do that now. Add that to the. Yeah, that's the $3. So I don't like this screen. Yeah, that screen is better. Yep. Hey. What's the after? Right. So yeah, what I'm saying. Oh, right. I was thinking of keep on designing, but there's some decision that need to be made, and I don't think I can test it out. No. So the original design is there will be a motor mounted right there on this little wall here. That will actually, let's do that. Let's make it the actuator so that we can at least know what we're working with. Yeah, let's make the actuator. Flow guy can wait. Where were you? There we go. It's like, why is it those on? Yeah, there we go. This is what I'm looking for. Flow guy can go transparent. I need to add a new body. Then take that flow guide, drop it in there as a reference, and hide the main body so that I can actually use it. Oh god, I've already forget everything. There used to be a master sketch here. There used to be a master sketch, but now it's just like I'll figure it out later, maybe. Oh god. All right, all right, all right. Locked in. We can do this. We can do this. Oh, actually, we don't want this one. We want that specific base feature as the binder. So that way, anything else on top of that, I will that way anything that I built on top of it later on won't have any won't have any compatibility problem with the flipper here. Which I'm gonna call the flap. Flipper. Yeah. That one. Oh no. Oh yeah, they took out the oop. What did I just do? I press space. Let's do. Oh man. Oh, it's gonna take me a while to get used to it. The random plane. I've been too desensitized. Also, I don't close that. I don't want that face. Don't want that. I'm doing that one. Yeah, doing that one. I want it to be straightforward enough. Yeah, cut away. Where's the cut away? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I'm moving away. I'm moving around too much. Duck them here because we do have space. We don't need to. I don't need to look it up there. Yes, cut away. Yeah. Alright, how are we doing this? I want the flipper to point upward because the motor is that way I can estimate how far away the motor need to be. You know, the servo, I'm not sure about that just yet. Test this out. This way is I grab that one, that one, that one, and that one. Yep. So wait, what's this? Oh wait, yeah, that's good. That's good. There's a little dot there. Let's just draw two lines really quick. Yeah, another line here. I want to join them. I want to draw a little circle here. So now it's finally time for me to make the decision. How thick do I want this to be? What's the distance again? This is 0.4. So this is going to be like that. Okay. Dimension 200 micrometer. 200 micrometer. That. Now we go over here. Oh, don't care for. Drag that out. And now we just make this bigger. That, yeah. And how are we doing this? Let me make a construction line here so I can tell how far. Okay, how well this is gonna swing. Grab that, make that dimensionally 2.2. I think that's that. Now, how do we like the? I say we put a hole in here first, and not an actual hole, not on the specific sketch, but I want a hole here dimensionally 3mm. Quite large. Distance between that to be it can be 2 mil. 2 mil is fine. That one can be 2 mil as well. I was afraid that I would not have that much room to play with, but it seemed like I do. Let's just keep that as that. Give us some thing to do. Okay. Now close it. Root. Face. Up to face. That face. And I want to make some clear in here. 0.5, 0.4. Offset. 0.4 offset. Oh, and then in the reverse direction. My -4 offset. So that the thing can actually move. Maybe not fine. Not fine. This one is never meant to be airtight. It's meant to be. It's meant to be able to move quite freely. And to aid me on that, I will make a hinge out of not a hinge. I need a hinge. Do I want a hammer on hinge or do I want? Okay, wait. Oh, I do want to make a tandem plane. Ain't it? Darn it. Yeah, no. So usually when I need to just offset the sketch slightly, I could use just tandem plane, offset the tandem plane. Now I have to click on the thing. How do I create a tandem plane on new FreeCAD? Tandem plane FreeCAD 1.1. Where to create tandem plane? Locate in FreeCAD 1.1. User should ensure that using but part tandem part design tandem part work bit no not that use the part and the plane. What? Wait, what? Did you see that? There's a anime girl showed up. Oh, in the task menu. Okay, fake. Okay, let's try that. I go there. The task menu. Oh, that is. Oh, that is. Okay, okay. All right, I'll do that. And the plane. And I want it to be offset. Cancel. Okay, offset by. Where the hell did you? Okay, just showed it first. Where's it gone? Dude, where's my tandem plane? This is a scam. Oh, it's right there. Never mind. It's like, where the heck is it? Oh, it's very small. That's not it. C. There we go. 0.25. There we go. Okay. That way. Just sketch. That can be reconfigured. It. Sketch. Yes. Trying to move. I don't want to have to redo what I did. Right. So I want to put it on to that tandem plane sketch. Visible automation where sketch workbench. Yeah. Where's the object? I might have to redesign it. Redraw it. Yeah. Gonna have to redraw it. Damn it. Well, it was an easy one anyway. Guess we learned how to make a tandem plane now. Right. I didn't know what I just clicked, so let's just do that again. There we go. Got away. Got away. Oh. Wait, there's this line too. Oh crap! I might have to do that. Okay. I don't know what past Vinny was thinking, so I'm just gonna import a bunch of stuff now, just so that I know what I'm looking at. But I also know that I don't need both of these. Okay, I already got a dot. Let's draw a bunch of stuff here really quick. Okay. So let's draw two line. Yeah, two line. Join them with the thing. Both end. Okay. Just the distance between these two right now. It's 1 mil. Okay. So if I say you are 0.4 now, what are you gonna do? Oh, not 4 mil. Say 0.4. That's several decimal, one decimal off. There. 0.4 is basically just a flap, right? So you go all the way down here. Yeah, there's some problem. Yeah, there we go, there we go. Yeah, what am I looking at? Oh my god. I'm gonna hit the bottom before I hit anything else. Alright, you know what? It's not that. I don't need to think that deep. Come on. Once again, it's not meant to be. It's not meant to be. I mentioned 3. Not meant to be. What I'm trying to say. Ooh. Okay, did that help? Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Okay. I don't need to do this part. You want the I'm gonna do it on the top. As I mentioned earlier, we actually want to have. We want the flap to be visible on top later. No, not late. Not later. Not as in not today, but later next. Hopefully at the end of this week, maybe early next. Why not early the next? Either this week or next week. I need to test out whether how to play. I need to play with the servo. I need to figure it out how the how I can get Clipper to work with the servo. It's gonna be fun. Jump. Oh, not that. Oh, two. Also, why is Phil? Why did I edit? Oh. Oh, wrong hole. Tension. That's 3. I almost eyeballed that. 2. And 2. Alright, that's gonna be a pain in the butt to try to print, but that's actually a feature, not a bug. Oh, why is this? Oh yeah, good. This guy, let's like connect that, this distance is 0.4. Point what? 0.2, yeah. I could put, yeah, 0.2 is fine. 2 is fine. Okay, that extrude it to face. I like this new UI, by the way. Love it. This new arrow and such. So nice. The face. In a world of corporate software getting worse and worse. It seems like all the good one, no, all the open source one keep getting better. 2.5. In the opposite direction. Oh, it's done. Okay. That's like that. So that's me flap. It's gonna flap, and it's gonna direct the air from the pump, pumping out from this unit up or down. That's this. Okay. So what we want here is a place for the motor, and figure out, or the servo. I think the servo is gonna go right there. Oh, right there. And it's gonna go down, gonna flip it down, flip it up. This angle here is definitely within the range of a servo, so I don't have that worry. And even if it's not, it's an easy fix. What I need to figure out now is how am I gonna have it printed? This yellow part here as it is right now, how am I gonna print it? Right, if I gotta print it from this bottom up, this angle is a 60 degrees, and there's all these little glyph here that it needed support for. So I reckon I can print from this face down. If I do that, I should fill in this section here. Oh, speaking of this section here, I probably need to, yeah. Okay, I need to make holes here so that this part, this gray part and this yellow part can be connected to each other. Instead of what it is now, which is just sitting right next to each other without any physical connection. So yeah. Actually, but before that, there's something I want to test. There's a major okay, okay, let's get a view here. Alright, time, because I want to do all of this while the chamber is warm still. Keep the chamber. Ow, hot. Right. Holy heck. It does not want to come off the bed. Which is good. We had trouble with it coming off the bed earlier today. And I had to drop it like... I think it's a problem with the chamber heating up. That's what I'm going to test now. Because apparently, because the chamber heat up so much that the That the Z offset is crazy. And it was, oh, these pieces are extremely thin. So for me to take them apart, scrape it instead of flex both. Good thing they're not low bearing. What's going on? Oh my, almost break it. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, these are made to be broken apart into to fit whatever printer you had. That's why me flexing it is very dodgy. So just to explain what I'm doing, there's a scored line built print into this right now. If you can see it right there, I can just, and if I want it, I can just go like that. That's how it fitted into the what is it? Into whatever printer size you need. So that this way, that by having the scored line and breakable part like that. Oh, this one is another one. Let's not actually print like that, because I need that in case this thing came out wonky. I can use that. That's why I don't want to break it. Know what I'm doing? Right. Before, I'm not gonna clean it now, do I? Let's just do this one very quick, and then no, because what I'm planning to do, I want to do now is I want to swap in a new color. Restart the exact same print, just with a new color. So I'm thinking we had blue. We had got blue here. So let's go for blue, orange. So let's go for green. I don't want the frame to look like it. Look, I don't want the frame to look like it's radioactive. So let's just make it some muted color, a little bit of muted color here. Combination with a little part of orange in it. Oh yeah, by the way, 3QF, you guys. I don't know why, but this time around they didn't give me any gummy bear. And I feel skinned. I'm gonna call them out for it. They missed my gummy bear. If it's still a thing. I was looking forward to it. I opened the package very early on in this. As soon as I received them. I opened the package, expecting my snacks, and then I couldn't find it. But I ordered from the wrong company for one. This meant to go to the box. I don't want to. No. Where did it keep? We do the cleaning later. We do the cleaning later. Right, we got like 3 of them, right? So I want to do the cleaning on stream. It's boring. Come on. There we go. Is it? What was I saying with this? Oh yeah. The reason why it sticks so hard now because I earlier in the day it didn't work the sticking didn't work, so I sprayed some adhesive onto the bed. Now it's just like very difficult to remove. I'd rather this than have it fail halfway like it did this morning. It wasn't even halfway. It almost done. It was almost done this morning, and then it failed. Okay. All right. Oh, what could I also have done is that I should have unloaded the filament. Oh, we'll deal with that later. Not good. Oh man, someone need to come up with a 3D printed design of some sort to line up these goddamn bed plate. I know it's not mad. It doesn't matter all that much, and the fact that I can doesn't have any like alignment feature on the bed plate make it easier, or I mean no alignment feature on the bed plate make it easier to manufacture and or swap between machines. I know there's benefit to it, but I do want the ability to just shove the bed into the printer and then have it lined up. All right, come on. Got distracted. Keep getting distracted by the parts. Where is his tray? There we go. Okay, back to the computer. Let's just point the thing up a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing up there. Just a minute. But before we get there though, we need to go into this one. Not that one. Later. This one. Go. Yeah, again through now. So clean up the thing and extruder. Unload P1. That way. Let's see. Yeah, hit up the right one. Good. Oh. All right. While that's happening, actually, we don't need to do anything. Just waiting for that to heat up. For the filament out. I wish I could just load it into another nozzle and use that instead. But right now, the machine is not calibrated for 4 nozzle. What is it? The D0 and T3, that is the 2 outermost nozzles on the printer transition here, and the 2 outermost tool head is I use them so much that they are basically stop breaking down now, so I can't use them anymore, and also because they worn down so much, recalibration in terms of the flow and all that is required. 2 in the middle, well, I have not used them enough, so that now just like I can't trust myself. They owe me, past me to correctly line them up. So maybe between a rock and a hard place. So anyway, I calibrated the pink one in the second from the right, from the left. Sorry. Calibrate that. And that's the only one I'm willing to use for making part right now. Oh wait, no, it's done. Okay, well, good. Oh, all right. That. File. A new one. Ooh, this one is a little wet. The problem with the cardboard spool is that if it's got rain on or something at some point, they start to decompose, and you can't undo it either. And the moisture got locked into the cardboard of this one. Okay, shove it in. Shove it in. There we go. Okay. Best thing about this machine is that even though I did that, I don't need to clean the nozzle or anything. Oh, don't drop. That. Alright, that's it. Drop this down. Line this up again. Alright, you guys gonna get the first row seat to see if this thing gonna work. Back in here now. I'm just gonna click. Oh wait, no. First and foremost, I want to make sure that that fan is on. The smell. Makes it smell. And then I click on the first one. Was that the first one, right? Yep. And print it again. Oh, a new command. Print time lock. Ooh, I forgot to undo that. Alright, while the thing is heating up, I am gonna do some work here. In the software. Alright, attention, more attention. Project it. Oh, no wiki. I don't know the wiki right now. Go to the back end row. That's the print time. Yeah, print time log is an old command that I used to use. Oh, they had an update. Alright. That, get rid of that. Next one. Ooh. Yeah, I used to use that to keep track of what the current layer is in case it crash mid layer. But at this point, the machine is just gonna fail, more likely to fail by other thing not related to the tool changer, like layer adhesion failure, no layer first layer failure and all of that. So there's no point of keeping that method around. Not needed. That's why I got rid of it. So now we're just gonna sit here and wait for a little bit, for that thing to heat up. Can you see it in the corner? No, you cannot. Okay, let me zoom in. I'm sure eventually. Yep, there we go. Yeah, you see the bed temperature right there? That one. Yeah, that one there. Need to heat up first, then it'll heat up the rest. And then it start moving. Oh, there it is. King of the devil. While we're doing that, I'm gonna check on something really quick on my end. You see, I'm gonna reuse on a two-head board to save myself some costs here in terms of like getting one of the component in. But the problem with that idea is that I need a cable for it. I need to plug into the machine to get it recognized and programmable. So I need to find see if I do have any of those cable left. Otherwise, I have to make it on Sunday. On not Sunday. Come on, I keep saying Sunday. On wait. Ah, I cut it. I cut it already. It was back in the daytime when I was in need. No, wait, this is not it. This is it. Yeah, I cut it already. I cut it already. Why is it not showing too well? Yeah. No, so I cut the connector off this so that I can reuse it elsewhere. Fortunately. Now I have to go in. Resolder that. But not today. Not today. That's for later. That's for later. Absolutely for later. That's... And just put this on the bench, and then I don't have to go dig for it. Sunday, Saturday. Why am I keep saving Sunday? Made no sense. Oh, things start moving. I got some ideas with this. Not now. Not now. Put it in, don't do it. Okay. This line of wire is perfect, I guess. Maybe me cutting it was a good idea after all. Because right now, yeah, if I'm putting this into the a new system, I'm gonna need to re-terminate it anyway. Didn't need to have to did not need I don't want to have to accommodate for the big what is it, thumb no, what is it, the plastic bit to allow you for your finger to grip on. So in a sense, I guess this is exactly as planned it. The only question now is, well, we're getting, wait, how are we gonna do this? Oh, damn it. Realize something. The fans may not be able to take the 24 volt. Yeah, I just realized how I'm gonna be driving to run a rather beefy fan with a small controller, so don't know how well that's gonna play out. Amps. Actually, let's go look for it now while we're still thinking about it. Oh, we have some metal wire still. I need to go eat some dessert. My God, I totally forgot I had some. Wait, I was like, I'm sort of hungry. That's what I'm about to say. Well, I'm sort of hungry right now. And then I realized I got some snack that I bought on the weekends. Oh, gotta grab that the nata. Okay. So before that though, what time is it? I have been streaming for 3 hours. You know what? That's a good way to end the day. Partly for anything, if for nothing else, because it's a Monday. Day job. I literally came back from an 8-hour work, so 3 extra hours is good enough for me. Before that, oh no. Yeah, I need to go look for what I'm looking for. LDO O2S pin out. Fan power pin out. Yep, out. Flashbang. I need to know the how much power can that fan header deliver. So right now you see on the hand right here, how do you let RGB is 5 volt, 24 volt, 24 volt. I need to know. That does not look good because I have to go through that, which is not known to be a powerful thing. How many amps this run? Yeah, they don't show it. Oh no. Okay. Let's just I'll start cleaning up as well as I slowly going torch. Actually, you guys are better off seeing this over here. Well, I'm just talking to myself here over this corner. Okay. Not that one. No, I just want to deliver it. How many can that delivered? Straight wire. Where all my parts over there? There. Oh, I dropped. Oh, that's several kilo of filament. Oh, I tried to pick up with my both hands instead of one. Rookie mistake. Okay. All right. Okay. This is 12 volt, 0.5 amps. Oh, not that many amps. This giant board is going to be drive by this bit of electronic here. So you can see the difference is massive in terms of the size of the thing that I plan to use to run it. But obviously I'm concerned. That caused me to be concerned if I can actually run it. For that matter, this thing is not even correct. 2 to 1. Oh. Oh, I need to find the actual one. Or to SR there. That's the one I'm looking for. No, I need 1 amp. That's quite a lot of amperage. And wow. Actually, big. Oh god. Ooh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh my god. Copy that. Copy that. Down there. Why did it always pause for a second there? Alright, I need to check on the Z offset. And oh crap. God. Don't want to do that again. Come on. I think I didn't lock it. It didn't lock. Come on. Do something. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, that was scary. Okay. Approaching the orange, going to green. Looking good. Can't tell whether it's first layer coming down correctly or not. Seems like nothing go wrong. Yeah, seems fine. It seems fine. Alright. Where are we? With this then. So we need 1 amp. We need 1 amp. Where had we? Let me just move that to the corner here real quick. Oh wait. Oh, screw me. Okay. Ow. Space. Orbital. And how many amps? No, nobody tell me how many amps the damn thing gonna take. No. Oh, okay. Now I guess I just have to copy that and figure it out myself. No, not, oh no. I need that number there, but it's not gonna give me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just plug it in and hope for the best. That's a Friday. What is it? Saturday business going on now. I have to plug it in there on that one. Go for it and just go for it. The problem is I need 2 of them. Wait, no. Yeah, so if I look it up here, hot end fan and part fan are 2 different one. Right? That's a good news. Right, chat. The reason I'm thinking about this is because if I can plug both of this big ass fan, throw up to an amp into the same board, this one here, I can in fact have a single small cable, 4-pin cable coming plugged into the component, a little box, and that would be a perfect system as far as I'm concerned. But if I cannot do that, then what I'm gonna do? Then I have to figure it out. Oh, I'm thinking, how would I plug? How would I plug? Where's it gone? No, how do I plug a servo into this thing? 3 pins. RGB. I'm plugging it by the RGB. Yeah. I might want to use the RGB connector here as the plug for the servo and see how that goes. Oh wait, no, never mind. Really, let's start checking these together as well. I got some option here that I want to test. Or want to test the board itself. Yeah, I can go in there as well. Maybe wrap it up or something. Also, yeah, check the thing here for me. The layer look beautiful. Yeah, yesterday, so there's definitely there was a bug that was going on this morning. I didn't know what happened. I think the Z upset was shipped dramatically. Caused me a little spook. Thought something broke. But it don't seem so. Don't seem like it. So we'll leave it at that. Box is for Saturday. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I didn't break anything. Alright. Alright, chat. That's it for today. Not gonna push it. Got a long week ahead of me. So, yeah. Mail's Camp. I just realized that name is weird. Mail's Camp. And whoever that was has been joining me. You're giving me the light. Thank you very much. That is from me. And yeah. Honestly, let's call it a day. That's a day. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on Saturday. Yeah, I got it right this time. Cheers.